What if I told you the secret to living past 100 isn't some expensive supplement or extreme workout, but something as simple as how you prepare your carrots? Yes, you heard that right. Carving carrots might just be the most overlooked longevity hack sitting right in your kitchen. Scientists and longevity researchers studying communities where people regularly live beyond 100 years have noticed something fascinating about their relationship with food preparation. It's not just what they eat, but how they interact with their food that makes all the difference. When we talk about blue zones, those magical places around the world where people live significantly longer, one common thread emerges. Food preparation as a meditative, deliberate practice, and carving vegetables, particularly carrots, has emerged as a surprisingly significant factor. Let's break down exactly why this simple act could add years to your life. First, there's the physical benefit. Carving carrots requires fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination that keep your brain sharp and your hands nimble. You're engaging multiple senses simultaneously: the sound of the knife slicing through crisp vegetables, the vibrant orange color emerging as you peel away layers, the fresh earthy scent that fills the air. This multisensory experience creates new neural pathways and keeps your cognitive functions firing. But it's the psychological benefits that might be even more powerful. Carving vegetables forces you to slow down and be present in the moment. In our fast-paced world of pre-cut veggies and microwave meals, we've lost the art of mindful food preparation. When you take the time to carefully carve a carrot, you're practicing mindfulness without even realizing it. Your breathing slows, your focus narrows to the task at hand, and stress hormones like cortisol begin to decrease. This daily practice of mindfulness through vegetable carving creates a buffer against the chronic stress that ages us prematurely. Now let's talk about the communities where this practice thrives. In Okinawa, Japan, where centenarians are remarkably common, food preparation is considered a sacred ritual. Elders often spend hours carefully preparing vegetables, treating each carrot not just as food, but as a canvas for creativity. In Sardinia, Italy, another longevity hotspot, generations gather to prepare meals together, with vegetable carving being a cherished family activity passed down through the ages. These cultures understand something we've forgotten. The process matters as much as the product, but there's also a nutritional angle here that's often overlooked. When you carve carrots instead of just chopping them randomly, you're more likely to eat them. The visual appeal of beautifully carved vegetables increases our enjoyment and consumption of these healthy foods. Studies show that when food looks appealing, we not only eat more of it, but our bodies actually absorb nutrients more efficiently. The psychological pleasure of eating something beautiful enhances the physical benefits. Plus, carved carrots have more surface area exposed to digestive enzymes, potentially improving nutrient absorption. The act of carving also encourages variety in your diet. When you take the time to create different shapes and patterns, you're more likely to incorporate a wider range of vegetables into your meals. This diversity is crucial for gut health and overall well-being. But perhaps the most underrated benefit is the sense of accomplishment and creativity. In a world that often feels overwhelming, completing a simple, tangible task like carving a beautiful vegetable flower can provide a powerful sense of achievement. This boosts dopamine and serotonin levels, improving mood and reducing inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of aging, so anything that reduces it is essentially extending your health span. Now you might be thinking this sounds too simple to be true, but consider the alternative. How do most people approach vegetables today? We grab pre-cut bags from the supermarket, throw them in a pan, and eat while scrolling through our phones. We've removed all the mindfulness, all the creativity, all the sensory engagement from the process. We're eating for fuel rather than for nourishment of both body and soul. The beauty of carrot carving as a longevity practice is its accessibility. You don't need special equipment beyond a sharp knife and a cutting board. You don't need hours of free time. Even 5 minutes of focused carving can provide benefits. And you can start at any skill level. Begin with simple shapes like matchsticks or coins, then progress to more intricate designs as your confidence grows. The key is consistency. Making vegetable carving a daily ritual, even if it's just preparing carrots for your lunch salad, can compound its benefits over time. It's the cumulative effect of daily mindfulness, fine motor practice, and increased vegetable consumption that creates the longevity advantage. So next time you're in the kitchen, resist the urge to rush through food prep. See your vegetables not as obstacles to mealtime, but as opportunities for creativity, mindfulness, and health. Your future centenarian self will thank you for taking those extra moments to carve with care. What's the most creative way you've ever prepared vegetables? Share your veggie carving stories in the comments below.